Good Tuesday morning, everybody. Chris Allen with your weather podcast for this January 12th. It is a quiet morning so far. We are seeing cloud cover in some places. In some places, not necessarily here. There are some snow showers and snow flurries off to the north of us, but this very fast-moving clipper system, as we talked about yesterday, was not going to produce much of anything. If anything at all, we'll see a few flurries out of this, and then falling temperatures as we go through the day, especially later this afternoon and into tonight. It's going to get cold once again, although it didn't get all that warm yesterday. We did reach a high of 37 officially at the Bowling Green Airport yesterday, but actually that happened just before midnight. Believe it or not, temperatures have been rising just a bit. I think we may get a degree or two warmer than that, around 38, 39, before we start to head back downward in temperature once that clipper system breezes by, produces a few snowflakes, and then it's gone. So 37 was the official high temperature yesterday. In Bowling Green, 45 is the average high, so we were 8 degrees below average. 12 was our low temperature, as you'll recall, yesterday morning when some of the mesonet sites around the area were in the single digits. But 12 was the official low at the airport. 26 is the average low temperature, so we were 14 degrees off pace from the average. 1 year ago, we had a high of 46 and a low of 21 back in 2015. No measurable precipitation during the past 24 hours. But as you look outside this morning, you'll notice some cloud cover. And some of you, especially that live north of the Bowling Green area, say up around Breckenridge, Ohio, Grayson, LaRue counties, you may experience some snow showers or flurries. I don't think it's going to be anything as significant as what we had on Sunday. Most of what you had from Sunday has melted. There could be an isolated slick spot or two out there this morning, but temperatures are enough above freezing that you should not have any issues. As a matter of fact, as I look at the Polar Report computer here, I am not seeing any school closings or delays. That may or may not change as we go through the morning, so you'll need to monitor either WBKO television or the WBKO app or WBKO.com/closings if something does get added in because of whatever light snow may be falling this morning to the north. But for the most part, I don't think this is going to be any big deal. You may see some snowflakes flying around with the wind. The wind's going to be a bigger deal. And the colder air coming in, that's going to produce single-digit wind chill factors as we get into the afternoon and this evening. So that's really what you need to prepare for, because we're probably right now as warm as we're going to get today. And then here comes the cold air once again before we warm up toward the latter half of the week. So here's the way I'm parsing out the forecast today. Breezy with flurries. Breezy with flurries, maybe some brief snow showers off to the north along the parkways. Otherwise, falling temperatures after a morning high around 38 to 40. West winds at 14 to 28 miles per hour. And then once that clipper system passes on this afternoon, skies will begin to clear. We may even see some sunshine later before sunset. Clearing very cold tonight with a low of 13. Some locations, again, will be, I think, in the single digits in a couple of cases. The winds will die down, but there will be enough of a light wind to, make it feel even colder, even chillier. So down to 13 tonight. On Wednesday, we go back to a mostly sunny 36. Southwest winds will start to help us warm up. In fact, a warm front will come through by Thursday. That's going to be one of the two warmest days of this week. 52. We shoot from 36 on Wednesday to 52 under a mostly sunny sky on Thursday as that warm front comes in. Southerly winds will stay with us for one more day on Friday, when we'll see a high of 54, but we've moved up the chance of rain. Originally, we were looking at a better chance on Saturday. Now it's a better chance on Friday. Friday, a 60% chance that you'll get rained on Friday in southern Kentucky with a high of 54. Now, the next frontal boundary makes its way into the area. We're going to call for a low of 38 on Friday night with the rain showers. That should keep us warm enough to keep it rain. But that 38 will be the high temperature for Saturday. Therefore, falling temperatures as we get into Saturday afternoon. Any remaining moisture would be rain changing over to light snow. I don't think it's going to be a big deal, but we could see a few snow showers or flurries as the colder air comes in. A morning high of 38 Saturday, and then falling down to 23 by Saturday night. Sunday, mix of sun and clouds, chilly, a high of 34. And then Monday, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, it's going to be a bit blustery, 36. A weak little system coming through with a few snow flurries, but a west wind at 13 will make it chilly. That 36 may feel more like 26 or even low 20s in some cases. I don't think those flurries are going to amount to anything. So there are some snow chances in the 7-day forecast, but none of these look to be anything significant. Warm enough on Friday, of course. All that rain coming in will stay all rain. All right, that should do it for this Tuesday morning. Thank you so much, and I appreciate you listening. God bless you. Know the weather before it knows you. I'll see you live at 5:30 on AM Kentucky, 11 a.m. on midday, streaming live to the WBKO app and to WBKO.com. Then later today, join me for my radio show, Classic Hits, Sam 100.7, for the Chris Allen Radio Show from 3 until 7.